Have you ever wondered why some dogs are small enough to fit in your pocket, while others are the size of a small horse? How did we end up with tiny breeds like Chihuahuas, Yorkies, and toy poodles? And what does their size tell us about their genetic makeup? Welcome to Ease Genetics, where we break down the science behind genetics in a way that's fun and easy to understand. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of miniature dog breeds. And trust me, their genetics might surprise you. The main genetic player behind small dogs is IGF-1, which stands for insulin-like growth factor 1. This gene is crucial in controlling body size in mammals, from mice to humans to dogs. Scientists discovered that nearly all small dog breeds share a mutation in the IGF-1 gene that limits their growth. It's like their bodies are programmed to stay in puppy mode forever. The difference between a tiny Chihuahua and a giant Great Dane isn't just diet or environment. It's largely genetic. But here's the fascinating part. Wolves don't have this mutation. So where did it come from? To understand why some dogs are so tiny, we have to travel back thousands of years to when dogs were first domesticated. All modern dogs, no matter their size, evolved from wolves. Early humans likely noticed that some wolves were naturally smaller than others. Over time, they started selectively breeding these smaller wolves, choosing the smallest pups from each generation. This eventually led to the toy-sized breeds we have today. In fact, evidence suggests that small dogs originated in the Middle East over 12,000 years ago. Researchers found ancient dog skeletons that were only about 10 inches tall, meaning small breeds have been around much longer than we once thought. But IGF-1 isn't the only gene responsible for small size. Several other genes help shape a dog's final height and weight, including GHR, growth hormone receptor. This gene affects how a dog's body responds to growth hormones. Changes in GHR can lead to dwarfism or natural small size. STC2, staniocalcin 2. This gene controls how long a dog's bones grow before stopping. Dogs with a modified STC2 gene stop growing earlier, resulting in a smaller adult size. HMGA2, high mobility group at HOOK2. This gene is linked to body proportions. Some miniature breeds have a specific variation of HMJ2 that keeps them compact. So if you ever wondered why some tiny breeds have short legs and compact bodies, it's because multiple genes are working together to keep them small. Ever heard of small dog syndrome? Tiny dogs often act like they're the biggest ones in the room. But is this behavior genetic or just learned? Some researchers believe tiny dogs have a genetic predisposition to be more reactive, possibly because their ancestors had to be extra alert to survive. In other words, their big personalities might be written in their DNA. Now you know why. So the next time you see a tiny dog, remember, it's all thanks to genetics, evolution, and selective breeding. What's your favorite tiny dog breed? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome genetic facts. See you in the next one.